Hello guys, today we are going to see the project demonstration of a robotic arm control. So using Raspberry Pi Pico. So actually the ultimate aim of the project is to build a ROS, like a robotic operating system. Here we use a robotic arm which is made with a 3D printer. Plastic material has been used with 360-degree servo motors. Actually this is a general purpose robotic arm. We can utilize this robotic arm for multiple operations. For example, to movement of object in automated industry, in car manufacture industry, like that we can able to integrate the robotic arm. So this is a prototype we developed using the 3D printing materials and servo motor. So this in this demonstration we developed this robotic arm with 4 axes. So 4 axes. One is a bottom piece. The bottom piece is 360-degree rotatable, so it will move the entire arm into the 360 direction, and remaining 2 mechanism will be for arm movement. It will down and upward, and another one is for the gripper. Okay, here you can see the clear vision of the servo motors placed. So totally 3 motors is visible. One motor will be under the robot module. So here this robotic arm is capable of picking a lightweight objects, but if we manufacture the same robotic arm in the steel, any other fiber materials, it can able to hardly capable of assembling the bigger objects. So this coming to the operation side, the operation of the robot, we can do it in both the methods. Either you can able to control the robotic arm using joysticks or push buttons, and also we can able to program for automated operations. So in the automated operations, it will do automatically assigned tasks. For example, if the robotic arm should carry a object and place into the particular location, it will do continuously the same process. So this video is about not a project demonstration. This is a general purpose robotic arm. Guys, if you require this type of robotic arm, if you want to customize this robotic arm for your project works, you can contact our executive from the number given below, and keep subscribe our channel to get regular updates about this type of videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.